Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm doing a redo video. I got this Liquid Death here. They had to order on the internet because I want to try this flavor, and they didn't have it in store. But anyway, I filmed this when I made my fire. Christine and I went out, had a wonderful time, had a fire for hours and hours and hours, ended up grilling on it, on the little, grilling rack that came with it. It was hilarious because the rack, long story short, it didn't adjust or whatever, so we had very, very, very smoky steaks. They came out perfectly cooked, but the smoke was so intense because it basically was smoke cooked. It wasn't really from the heat of the coals. It was all the smoke and the heat from the smoke. Anyway, it was delicious, just super smoky. So I filmed this video when we were having that fire, but it was too dark. I went to go edit it and I couldn't see anything, and I tried to lighten it and editing, and it was grainy. So we're doing a redo real quick here in the basement. So Liquid Death. Alright, this is their Cereal Criminal, okay? It's supposed to be fruity Pebbles flavored, so full disclosure, when I taste test stuff, it is the first time I've ever had it, so you guys get my real, genuine reaction. I've had like 10 of these already, okay? So I know exactly what it tastes like, but we're going to go ahead and talk about it anyway. So long story short, I go to the store, they don't have it, so I find out that I have to order online. This is after 2 or 3 Walmarts. One lady's like, oh, I think it's just online only. Alright, fine, I ordered a case, and it was way overpriced. I don't remember what it was. It was a case of 12, a pack of 12 regular size cans. Alright, so, Liquid Death, Cereal Criminal, Fruity Pebbles, let's see what's up. Oh, so, I already know this, but it smells like Fruity Pebbles. I mean 100%. Smells exactly like Fruity Pebbles. By the way, these aren't 0 calories. These are 15 calories for the can. Alright, because I do use some kind of sweetener or juice or something. Alright, most seltzers are 0. There's nothing in there. But 15 calories is kind of negligible. But anyway, yes, so it's amazing. It's blowing my mind. It's a can full of Fruity Pebbles, right? No, it's seltzer. How can they have done that? Chemicals. Lots and lots of chemicals in all our junk food. That's what we're consuming. But hey, life's short, right? Gotta have a couple chemicals and a good experience. So you open the can, you get that massive waft right away. You're super excited for it. Your mouth's drooling. What does it taste like? Let's see. Holy moly, it tastes like Fruity Pebbles. But then it falls off. It falls off in a big way. So you get the burst of Fruity Pebble flavor in your mouth, followed by seltzer and water, because that's what it is. It's water and bubbles. So it's almost like the experience of eating a bowl of Fruity Pebbles with water instead of milk. I know it sounds gross, right? Because it kind of is. So that is quite literally the experience. Oh my god, this is so good. What is that? Blech. So it has a funky aftertaste to me because of it. Well, I shouldn't say aftertaste. It's like the swallow, right? So like, let's say you sipping it and swallowing it is 100% of the experience. The first 50 to 60%, amazing. As you're bringing the can down and swallowing it, you're like, what's going on? But then there's no like lingering aftertaste because that's it. Like, I don't really taste much. The little bit of fruitiness is left. So it's nice it's not like a horrible aftertaste that lasts, but when you swallow it, which is supposed to be the best part, it's kind of gross. I have to admit, it's kind of gross and disappointing because I was looking forward to it so much and I overpaid for it. It is what it is. It's funny, it's something I can like get used to, but I don't want to. Because number one, I'm not going to buy it again. And I don't have to. No one's going to make me. So yeah, it's one of those things where even things that to me are gross, I think they're worth having the experience. Now, if you can walk into your Walmart and you see this on the shelf, buy it for the experience. Cool. If you want to try it and you think it's delicious, but you have to order online and pay a lot for it, that's where I say don't bother. Like, don't worry. You're going to be totally happy with the rest of your life not knowing what this tastes like. Does that make sense? I wouldn't go out of my way for it. If you could find this in a single can for 80 cents, that'd be fantastic. That's all I really wanted to do is try one. I didn't want a case of them, and I didn't want to order them. but I wanted the experience. Specifically because it's seltzer and it's low calorie. It's something like if I really liked it, I would have got a lot more of it. And it's like, you know, it dissuades me from drinking and eating other things, you know. I like having things like seltzers because it keeps me from like snacking. It keeps me feeling full because of the carbonation. But I'm not taking a lot of calories, you know, as in like people drink a lot of like full sugar regular soda. That's a ton of calories. So I like it as a diety option, right? But yeah, this flavor is just, it's hit and miss to me. You are going to go, wow, I want this forever. This is amazing. Or you're going to be, this is the most disgusting thing I've ever had in my life. Now, the other, they have like soda flavors where they're mimicking cola. I didn't try that one yet. They have one that tastes like Dr. Pepper. That I like a lot. That I really like. The watery thing with that works fine. They have a root beer one I think is gross. I don't know why. It just seems really gross. I like root beer too. But again, it's the wateriness of it at the end compared to regular soda. It's just kind of It's not as sweet too. That's what makes it weird. Like not sweet root beer comes across strange to me. So they're very hit and miss. I encourage you to try all of them, you know. But yeah, there you go. That is Death Wish Cereal Criminal Fruity Pebble Flavored Seltzer. I think every year that goes by, there's more and more like foodies and people trying things and reviewing food and drinks. I can't imagine, like, if you asked me back in 1995 or something, what kind of cool, crazy snacks to be in the future, I would have been lame in my answer. It seems like every single week there's 10 different chip flavors, 30 different soda flavors, 18 different dessert flavors, 5 new Oreo flavors, like. And fast food, there's a new sandwich every week. There's a new drink. There's a new sauce. There's a, you know, it is insane how much crappy processed junk food. It's just insane how many new things there are constantly. Like I follow people and that's all they do is tell you the new flavors of stuff coming out. And they have videos every day. It's crazy. It's crazy. If you like this stuff, you like trying things, it's the best time to be alive. We've never had more options for junk food in all of history. So I don't know where that's going in the future. If that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's probably a bad thing. But hey, it is what it is. I can't change it. I have no say in it. So I'm going to partake occasionally and try some of this weird stuff. And today, it was Fruity Pebble flavored seltzer. So, middle of the road. Try it if you want. If you don't, you're not missing out. It's not amazing. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.